Not all German transmissions age the same. Some regularly reach 200,000 miles with routine care, while others struggle much earlier, and most buyers don't realize why. Today I'm breaking down how BMW, Audi, and Mercedes transmissions are actually built, where they tend to fail, and the maintenance details that make the biggest difference. Stay until the end, because one overlooked service habit explains more failures than any single design choice. BMW's ZF partnership strategy. BMW made a strategic decision that sets them apart from their German rivals. Instead of developing transmissions in-house, they partnered with ZF to use the 8 HP 8-speed automatic across nearly their entire lineup. This consistency creates advantages for long-term reliability. The ZF 8 HP has been refined over more than a decade, with extensive real-world testing providing valuable feedback for improvements. The ZF 8 HP shows strong potential for reaching 200,000 miles when properly maintained. Its mechanical design is relatively straightforward compared to newer alternatives, using traditional torque converter technology with well-understood hydraulic controls. Here's where BMW creates confusion for owners. They market the transmission fluid as lifetime, suggesting no maintenance is required. This marketing claim directly contradicts ZF's own engineering recommendations. ZF themselves recommend fluid changes every 50,000 to 75,000 miles, or every 8 years maximum. Following ZF's schedule rather than BMW's marketing claims is essential for reaching high mileage without major repairs. The most documented high mileage issue with the ZF 8 HP is mechatronic sleeve leaks around the 100,000 mile mark. While this is a known problem, the repair often requires specialized diagnostic tools and programming equipment that not all shops possess. Repair estimates for mechatronic issues typically range around $1,200 when addressed promptly. However, if the leak causes low fluid levels that damage internal components, costs can escalate significantly for complete rebuilds. The ZF 8 HP's widespread use across multiple manufacturers means parts availability is generally good, though BMW-specific programming requirements can complicate repairs at independent shops. The bottom line on BMW transmissions is that the ZF 8 HP offers solid mechanical foundations, but success depends on ignoring BMW's lifetime fluid claims and following proper maintenance intervals. Audi's dual strategy approach. Audi takes a completely different approach by using two distinct transmission technologies depending on the vehicle's intended purpose. This creates variability in owner experiences that many buyers don't anticipate when purchasing. For mainstream models like the A4, A6, and performance variants like the S4 and S5, Audi uses their S-tronic dual-clutch system. This is essentially a DSG transmission that provides lightning-fast shifts but comes with specific maintenance requirements. The S-tronic's dual-clutch design is fundamentally different from traditional automatics. It uses two separate clutch packs that alternate engagement, allowing for seamless gear changes without interrupting power delivery. This technology works well when properly maintained, but it's highly sensitive to heat buildup and contaminated fluid. Neglected S-tronic units commonly experience problems between 80,000 and 120,000 miles, though well-maintained examples can exceed these ranges. The failure pattern is predictable and expensive. First comes clutch shuddering during low-speed maneuvers, particularly in stop-and-go traffic. This can progress to complete mechatronic failure, with repair estimates typically around $3,500. Reaching 200,000 miles with an S-tronic requires strict adherence to 35,000 to 40,000 mile fluid service intervals. This is significantly more frequent than traditional automatics, and the specialized fluid adds to maintenance costs. For heavy-duty applications like the Q7, Q8, and high-performance RS models, Audi switches to the ZF8 HP Tiptronic system. They make this change because the dual-clutch system cannot handle the massive torque output of these engines. This dual approach means Audi owners may have completely different maintenance requirements depending on their specific model. Many assume all Audi transmissions follow the same service schedule, which can lead to premature failures. Here's a critical habit for S-tronic owners that most people ignore. Avoid low-speed creep in heavy traffic. Unlike traditional automatics, the S-tronic keeps clutches partially engaged during creeping, causing excessive wear that dramatically shortens transmission life. The reality with Audi transmissions is that owner experience varies significantly based on which system they have, making it essential to understand your specific transmission type before establishing maintenance routines. Mercedes-Benz's in-house engineering. Mercedes-Benz takes yet another approach by developing their own transmissions in-house. Their current flagship is the 9G-tronic, which represents their philosophy of advanced engineering and efficiency optimization. The 9G-tronic focuses on fuel efficiency by using 9 forward gears and sophisticated software that can skip gears during downshifts for immediate response. This complexity delivers impressive performance, but introduces additional potential failure points. From a mechanical standpoint, the 9G-tronic's physical components are incredibly robust. The gear sets and clutch packs are built to handle massive torque, with some variants managing over 600 pounds-feet without mechanical stress. However, Mercedes transmission issues typically involve electronic components rather than mechanical failures. The sophisticated control systems that make the 9G-tronic efficient also make it vulnerable to sensor and software malfunctions. The most common problems involve valve body issues and sensor failures. While software updates can often resolve shifting irregularities, hardware sensor failures require more extensive repairs. Faulty transmission sensors often necessitate mechatronic replacement, with repair estimates typically around $2,800. This represents a significant expense compared to simpler transmission designs with fewer electronic components. Mercedes markets lifetime transmission fluid, but their technical service bulletins recommend changes for vehicles used in severe conditions. The definition of severe conditions is broad enough to include most real-world driving scenarios. The 9G-tronic uses a plastic oil pan with integrated filters, which creates additional complexity during service. If this pan develops cracks or is damaged during maintenance, the entire assembly must be replaced rather than just changing fluid and filters. This design choice raises maintenance costs compared to traditional steel pans with separate filters, as complete pan replacement can add several $100s to routine service. The Mercedes approach represents sophisticated engineering, but this advancement comes with increased complexity and higher maintenance requirements for achieving maximum longevity. The critical maintenance factors. Regardless of which German brand you choose, certain maintenance habits are essential requirements for reaching 200,000 miles with any of these transmissions. The lifetime fluid myth. All 3 manufacturers market their transmission fluid as lifetime, but this claim requires careful interpretation. Manufacturers typically define lifetime as the duration of the factory warranty period, not the actual lifespan of the vehicle. ZF, Audi's own engineers, and Mercedes technical documentation all recommend fluid changes to prevent metal contaminants from clogging hydraulic channels and causing premature wear. Transmission fluid degrades over time and mileage, losing its ability to lubricate and cool internal components effectively. Fresh fluid maintains proper viscosity and additive levels necessary for long-term operation. the 60,000-mile service window. Many transmission specialists recommend the first fluid service before 60,000 miles for optimal longevity. This early service removes initial break-in contaminants and establishes a maintenance baseline. While this timing isn't universally mandated, early fluid changes can help identify potential issues before they become expensive problems. Fresh fluid also provides better protection during the critical middle-age period of transmission life. Regular maintenance intervals become increasingly important as mileage accumulates, regardless of manufacturer recommendations. Adaptive learning and resets. Modern transmissions use adaptive learning to compensate for clutch wear over time. When shifting becomes rough or delayed, a specialist can perform an adaptive reset to recalibrate the system. This procedure typically costs around $150, but can restore smooth operation when performed appropriately. It's essentially teaching the transmission how to work with its current level of internal wear. Many owners consider transmission replacement unnecessarily because they don't realize that shifting issues can sometimes be corrected with software adjustments rather than hardware replacement. Heat and fluid management. Heat is one of the primary enemies of automatic transmissions, along with contaminated fluid and neglected maintenance. Excessive heat breaks down fluid, warps clutch plates, and causes seals to fail prematurely. In hot climates or for towing applications, an external transmission cooler can provide additional protection. This upgrade typically costs around $300 installed and can significantly extend transmission lifespan in demanding conditions. For dual clutch systems like Audi's S-Tronic, heat management is particularly important. Using auto hold instead of creeping in traffic prevents unnecessary clutch engagement and helps maintain manageable operating temperatures. Real-world reliability patterns. Based on available data from various sources and owner reports, each German transmission approach shows distinct patterns in real-world use. The ZF 8HP, used by BMW and some Audi models, demonstrates good potential for high-mileage operation. Its mechanical design and widespread use mean repair knowledge is generally available, though BMW-specific programming can complicate independent service. BMW's consistent use of this transmission across their lineup means mechanics become familiar with its maintenance requirements and common issues. Parts availability is typically good, and repair procedures are well documented. Audi's S-Tronic dual clutch system can achieve respectable mileage with proper care, but requires more frequent maintenance attention. Success depends heavily on owner education and commitment to shorter service intervals. Mercedes' 9G-Tronic represents advanced engineering, but comes with the complexity typical of cutting-edge technology. Electronic component issues can create repair expenses that vary significantly based on the specific problem. The evidence suggests that transmission longevity depends more on maintenance habits and usage patterns than brand loyalty alone. However, some designs are more tolerant of owner neglect than others. The engineering philosophy differences. Understanding why these brands made different transmission choices reveals important insights about their priorities and target markets. BMW's partnership with ZF represents a focus on proven reliability over cutting-edge features. They prioritized mechanical simplicity and established performance over developing proprietary technology. Audi's dual strategy approach reflects their positioning between mainstream efficiency and performance markets. The S-Tronic provides sports car responsiveness for enthusiasts willing to accept higher maintenance requirements. Mercedes's in-house development showcases their commitment to technological leadership and efficiency optimization. This innovation delivers impressive capabilities, but introduces additional complexity. These philosophical differences help explain why reliability outcomes and maintenance requirements vary between brands using different technological approaches. Each German transmission approach can potentially reach 200,000 miles, but they require different levels of owner commitment and maintenance attention. The ZF8 HP offers mechanical simplicity and proven design, while dual clutch systems provide performance at the cost of more frequent service needs. Mercedes' advanced engineering delivers sophisticated capabilities, but requires understanding of electronic complexity. Success with any system depends on following actual engineering recommendations rather than marketing claims about lifetime fluids. The key insight is that all three approaches can achieve high mileage when owners understand their specific transmission's requirements and maintain appropriate service schedules. Your transmission's longevity ultimately depends on your maintenance commitment, not just the badge on the hood. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.